My name is Cliff Mintz. I run a company called Bio Insights, which is a company devoted to career development for life scientists. I've been working on the internet for the past 10 years or more and have built many websites, including a blogging platform and a social media site for life scientists called BioCrowd. And one of the most difficult things that I've had to do when attempting to build these new sites is to identify the right technology partner. It's been a very difficult and harrowing experience from time to time with a number of false starts and being disappointed quite frequently by the quality of the people that I had hired to do the work for me. I contacted Exception software developers and was pleasantly surprised when I talked with its CEO, Shri, about their capabilities and their understanding of my needs to rebuild my blog site and a social networking site that I created for life scientists. Um, the interactions between Exception and uh, me were very, very evident from the start, very, very positive. Shri is a very engaging individual who's pretty much available 24/7 to address any and all problems that are going on with website and or blog development. One of the reasons why I didn't engage with offshoring internet developers for was that many of my colleagues and compatriots had a large number of problems, both um, temporal and quality of work wise. And so I was a little bit reluctant to engage a company that primarily works in India. However, once Shri and I had entered into an agreement and we hammered out the terms of our contract, I've had nothing but positive experiences working with Shri and his team of developers at Exception Air. They're responsive, the quality of the work is outstanding, and most importantly, rather than just being a provider of services, Shri and his team actually act as consultants and go above and beyond simply writing code and launching websites. It's been an exceptional experience, and the amount of work that I've asked Shri and his team to do has been gargantuan. Going back to the social networking site for scientists, there are approximately 8,000 members with 4.6 gigs of data that needed to be transferred from the original site to the new site that the Exception Air team is building. And Shri and his team have been able to accomplish that 2 or 3 months quicker than they had thought would take for them to accomplish that task. So I've been really, really pleased and very happy with the services and the quality of the work that Shri and his team at Exception Air have provided to me. I wasn't asked by Shri or anybody at Exception Air to do this video. I simply wanted to let others know that I understand that finding the right technology partner from a cost effectiveness and timeline perspective is a very difficult one. There are many choices out there, and I just want to recommend that to anyone who has IT, software development, website development, social media platform development, etc., to consider Exception Air as their technology partner. Exception Air's location in India is not a problem, and you can't beat the quality of the work and perhaps most importantly, the price associated with that work.